We have two toilets in our house with this American Standard flapper, and I think I've found a free fix for the issue of the phantom flush where this flapper is leaking. I've done this on one of our toilets probably about 6 months or a year ago, and it's worked so far. There's no leak. So this is a free fix instead of having to buy a replacement kit or buying new gaskets. Basically, the issue here is these bubbles that develop. So you can kind of see that bubble, which creates a gap, and then water can fill in through that. But basically, all you have to do is take any kind of sharp object and puncture that. And you puncture that hole, and then this will sit flat again. And I don't know if that will work forever, but it so far has bought me more time with our other unit. So what I'm using here is just a simple, I have a little set from Harbor Freight. It's Pittsburgh, which in the reviews of this product, it's like a 4-piece set of different little sharp tools with different ends, styles of endings. And people in the reviews said that they use these things for all kinds of random jobs that they never would have thought of around the house. And here's another such example, using it to puncture this, I guess you'd call it this gasket, rubber gasket. So I don't know if I'll be able to show myself doing it, but it really is as simple as just puncturing that, and then it put it back in, and it should lie flat, and you shouldn't hear any more water trickling in through there. All right, so the flapper is back installed. I was just listening to make sure. You should hear silence, no water leaking back in there, but puncturing the two little holes helps that to sit flat and flush once again, and so no water leaks in. But that's how you can tell it's fine. There's no noise, no water trickling back in. I don't know if this will be a permanent fix, but if it buys me 6 months or a year or longer without paying for anything, I'll take it.